Are you tackling a big project and need a reliable waste management and junk removal solution in Upper Marlboro, Maryland? Look no further than Stars and Stripes Dumpster Rentals and Junk Removal, your leading local provider for dumpster rental in Upper Marlboro, Maryland. Whether you're renovating your home, managing a construction project, or clearing out old office equipment, our dumpster rental services are designed to handle any scale of waste management with ease and efficiency. Our friendly and professional team at Stars and Stripes Dumpster Rentals and Junk Removal is committed to ensuring your project stays on track. We guarantee prompt delivery and pickup, so you can focus on what matters most to you. Rest assured, we have a range of dumpster sizes to cater to any project. Our dumpsters are tough and ready for anything. From construction debris to household cleanouts and everything in between, we can manage your waste responsibly and effectively. Choose Stars and Stripes Dumpster Rentals and Junk Removal for efficient, affordable, and eco-friendly services. Call us today at 202-417-6745 or visit our website at www.ssdumpsters.com. Dumpster Rental Upper Marlboro MD to book your dumpster rental in Upper Marlboro, Maryland. Stars and Stripes Dumpster Rentals and Junk Removal, your partner in keeping Upper Marlboro clean and green.